Hey guys, it's your guy Paul here today, and today we're going to be looking at something called multiples. Just want to say thank you for tuning into Paul's Maths Labs. And here we go, guys. So today we're going to be looking at multiples. Now, some of you may say, what are multiples? I don't know what multiples are. Paul, what are multiples? Well, I'll show you an example of what multiples are. So, again, my pen's doing a lot of nonsense, for goodness sake. Let's just change the colors again. I don't know why it does this. It does this to frustrate me. Okay. So, an example of multiples. So, someone comes up to me and says, Paul, randomly on the street, says, Paul, what are the multiples of 5? Now, I could say the multiples of 5. Now, what do you want? Do you want me to list you all the multiples of 5? Because that would be kind of like infinite. But if they'll say, okay, Paul, can you tell me the first 5 multiples of 5? Okay, I'll say, oh, right then, that's fine. So what I'll do, I'll write down 5 like that, dots, dots. Now, the first 5 multiples of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. That would be the first 5 multiples of 5. So you can basically see it's basically the same as the 5 times tables, isn't it? Lovely. So you've just got 5, 15, 20, and 25. Those are the first 5 multiples of 5. Again, someone may say, write down the first 4 multiples of, let's say, 6. So the first 4 multiples of 6 would be 6, 12, 18, and 24. That will be the first 4 multiples of 6. Okay. Now, sometimes you may be given a question like find the 7th, that's meant to be a TH, multiple of 8. So find the 7th multiple of 8. Well, that's easy because it's just 8 times 7, okay? So 8 times 7 will just give me 56. So I don't know why that took me so long. Had a little bit of a brain dead. So that'll give me 56. So the 7th multiple of 8 would be 56, okay? So sometimes you can be given questions like that. They may ask you to find the 7th and find the 11th, or find the 2nd and find the 4th, or find the 100th multiple of a number, okay? So it's not too bad, it's not too hard, to be honest. It's just basically your multiplication, your times tables, okay? Now, sometimes you may be given questions around something called the LCM. Anybody know what LCM stands for? It stands for the lowest common multiple. Now, they'll usually give you to find the LCM of 2 numbers, and our 2 numbers will be 5 and 6. Okay, so we need to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 6. Well, I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. This is how we're going to do it. So we're going to write down 5 here, and we're going to write down 6 here. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, so we're going to kind of maybe list down the first 5 multiples of 5. So we're going to get 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Now let's list the first 6, the first 5 multiples of 6 as well. So we're going to get 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Okay, so far we can't find anything common in both of them yet. So we're going to go on further with the 5 and see what we get next. So we're going to get 30. Oh, well, we can stop there because we found the lowest number, or the lowest multiple that goes into both of them, which is 30. So you can circle 30 there, circle 30 there. So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 6 is 30. Lovely. Okay. Now another example, maybe find the lowest common multiple of, let's have 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4. So we write down 3 there, write down 4 there, and we list the multiples. So let's list the first maybe 5. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, list down the first 5 before. So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay, so we need to basically find the smallest number that goes into both of them, which is the smallest multiple, which is 12 actually. Lovely. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Beautiful, guys. So I hope you guys have understood what LCM is now, or lowest common multiple, and also what multiples are in total. Okay, so it's nothing hard. It's just all to do with multiplication. Okay, so anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you understood that. I will see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in to Paul Maths Labs.